Hello everyone! Today, we're delving into Androids more specifically, how to locate your clipboard. Ever copied something and wondered where it's temporarily stored? That's what we'll uncover today. So, every time you copy a text or an item on your Android, it gets stored temporarily in Clipboard. But where is it? Here's a quick guide to help you out. Start by finding an empty text box on your Android. It can be in your messaging app or even in your browser. Tap on it. This action prompts the keyboard to pop up. You'll notice an arrow pointing right on the left side of this keyboard. Give that arrow a tap. This reveals more options. Somewhere amongst this, you'll find an icon resembling a clipboard. Can't see it? Click on the three dots or ellipsis, and it might be hidden there. Once located, tap on it. So, that's it. What you see next is your clipboard history. Every text you've copied recently, you can even edit, delete, or pin items if necessary. Remember, to ensure your clipboard is active, you might have to toggle the Turn On Clipboard option. That's the secret behind the elusive Android clipboard. If you've got questions or stumble upon any issues, drop a comment. I'm here to assist. And if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!